Today, I am reviewing the Wacom Cintiq 22 drawing tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been working in the digital art space for a long time, and if there is one thing I have learned, it is that the bridge between your hand and the screen is the most important part of your workflow. After spending extensive time with the Wacom Cintiq 22, I can say that this is not just another peripheral, but a professional-grade tool that completely changes how you interact with your canvas. At 21.5 inches, the sheer scale of this display provides a level of freedom that smaller tablets simply cannot match. You finally have enough room to use your entire arm for long sweeping strokes, which is essential for professional illustration and animation. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the Pro Pen 2 technology. Wacom has a reputation for the best pen physics in the industry, and this model proves why. With over 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, the transition from a light hair-thin line to a bold, heavy stroke feels incredibly organic. There is virtually zero lag, which means the digital ink follows your hand exactly as it would with a real pen on paper. The tilt recognition is another subtle but vital inclusion, as it allows you to shade naturally just by angling the pen. This creates a tactile experience where the technology disappears, and you are left with just the creative process. One of the major advantages of the Cintiq 22 is the screen surface itself. It has an anti-glare film that provides a very specific type of friction. It is not slippery like drawing on a standard glass tablet or a phone. Instead, it has a slight tooth to it that mimics the resistance of traditional media. This texture, combined with the reduced parallax, means that where you point the pen is exactly where the mark appears. There is no distracting gap between the pen tip and the cursor, which is often the biggest hurdle for artists moving from traditional to digital work. While the resolution is full HD 1920 by 1080, some might wonder if that is enough for a screen this size. However, in practice, the color accuracy and the uniform brightness are what really matter. The colors are vibrant and true to life, which is critical when you are working on professional projects that need to look consistent across different devices. The display is built for long hours of work, and I found that the matte finish is much easier on the eyes during late-night sessions compared to glossy screens that reflect every light in the room. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from Wacom. It feels sturdy and reliable, like a piece of studio equipment rather than a fragile gadget. It comes with an adjustable stand that allows you to find the perfect ergonomic angle, whether you prefer to work almost vertically like an easel or at a shallow slant. This is a massive benefit for your posture and helps prevent the neck and back strain that often comes with long drawing sessions. Setting it up was straightforward with a 3-in-1 cable, which keeps your workspace from becoming a tangled mess of wires. It works seamlessly with both Mac and PC, and because Wacom drivers are the industry standard, they are incredibly stable with professional software like Photoshop, Illustrator, or ZBrush. You also get those 2 customizable switches on the pen itself, which I use constantly for my most frequent shortcuts like undo or brush resizing. For students or hobbyists looking to take that next serious step, or for professionals who need a reliable workhorse in the studio, the Cintiq 22 is a remarkable investment. It provides the premium Wacom experience on a large scale without the massive price tag of the Pro line. It focuses on the essentials that actually matter to an artist, which are pen precision, screen feel, and ergonomic comfort. After using it, you realize that having this much space to create truly unlocks a new level of detail and expression in your work. It is a tool that stays out of your way and lets your skills shine.